Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to disable your Thumbtack account. Now if you want to disable your Thumbtack account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Thumbtack app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Thumbtack app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page of Thumbtack, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as various options on the home page itself, and also you'll see the option of profile icon at the very top right. So click on the option of profile icon, and here you'll see the option of account, notifications, health, privacy policy, and all of it. Now disabling your Thumbtack account also means deactivating your Thumbtack account. So to deactivate, click on the option of account, and here you'll see the various options like change password, edit phone number, edit payments, or deactivate account. So click on the option of deactivate account, and it says are you sure you want to deactivate your account, and it gives you the various prompt which you may read, and you may also choose the reason for deactivating your account or also include the reason for deactivating it. So after doing all of it, you just need to click on the small square box which says I confirm I want to deactivate my account. So after doing all of it, you may click on the option of deactivate, and it will help you to disable your Thumbtack account. So that's it. That's how you can disable your Thumbtack account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.